Welcome fam, Coach Nate here. You woke up stiff, sore and tired, but in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to loosen up your entire spine, unlock your hips and fire up your energy for the day. Most people stretch incorrectly, making them even tighter. Let's fix that today. One of these moves will instantly unlock your lower back, but only if you do it right. I'll show you how. The last move in this session is something you've never tried before, but you'll wish you had. Most people don't realize how much tension they hold in their hips until they try the stretch. If you sit for hours, this routine could change how your body feels for the rest of the day. One tiny mistake in this next move could make you tighter instead of looser. I'll show you how to fix it. And if you sit at a desk for hours, I've got something special for you, so make sure to stick through the end of the session to find out, and I promise you're gonna love it. Let's hit the mat. Your hips are holding you back more than you realize. If you sit a lot, train hard, or even just wake up feeling stiff, this is a stretch that will open everything up. Step your right foot forward into a deep lunge. Keep your back leg extended, chest tall, and hips sinking down. Breathe deep. Every exhale, let your hips drop lower. I promise this stretch will release tight hip flexors, improve posture, and give your lower body the freedom to move better all day. Beginners, keep hands on your knee for balance. Advanced stretches, lift both arms overhead to challenge your balance. Can you feel that? That's your hips finally letting go. Let's take it even deeper. Now that your right hip is opening up, let's add some rotation to unlock your spine. Trust me, your spine is craving this twist. If you've been feeling stiff in your lower back, this is about to feel like magic. From your low lunge position, plant your left hand down. Reach your right arm up toward the sky, twisting your torso toward your front foot. Press through your back leg. Feel the deep spinal rotation. I promise this will unlock your spine, fire up your core, and improve your mobility instantly. Beginners, keep the twist smaller with hand on knee for support. Advanced stretches, lift your back knee off the ground for a full body activation. Hold for 5 more seconds. Feel your body opening up in ways you didn't even realize you needed. That just resets your right side. Now let's give the left side the same love. We're not about to walk around feeling uneven. Let's balance things out. Step your left foot forward into a deep lunge. Keep your back leg extended, hips sinking down. Relax your shoulders. Breathe into the stretch. I promise your body craves balance. When both hips are open, everything from walking to training to sitting feels smoother. Beginners, keep hands on your knee for support. Advanced stretches, raise your arms overhead for an extra challenge. Take a deep breath. Let gravity do the work. Can you sink just an inch lower? Now, let's add the same powerful twist to unlock your spine on this side. If your back feels tight, this move could be the game changer. From your low lunge, plant your right hand down. Reach your left arm up toward the sky. Twist your torso toward your front knee. Hold, breathe, and let your spine decompress. I promise this move will make your back feel looser, lighter, and more mobile all day long. Beginners, keep the twist smaller. Advanced stretches, lift your back knee for an added challenge. Hold for 5 more seconds. Let's see if you can rotate just a little deeper. Your hips and spine are unlocked. Now let's open up the chest for a full body release. Your chest has been closing in on itself. Hours of sitting, scrolling, or even just sleeping in the wrong position can make your shoulders roll forward and steal your posture. Let's fix that right now. Kneel tall with your hips stacked over your knees. Interlace your fingers behind your back and pull your hands down, lifting your chest. Squeeze your shoulder blades together and breathe into the stretch. I promise this is the key to standing tall, breathing deeper, and moving with confidence. A tight chest isn't just about mobility, it's holding you back from feeling powerful. Beginners, keep your hands on your lower back if interlacing is difficult. Advanced stretchers, lean back slightly for an even deeper stretch. Most people think they have bad posture, when in reality, they just have tight shoulders. This move will change that. And just like I promised, if you sit for hours, don't stop here. Your body is begging for more. And I created something special for you. Grab a free desk worker stretching guide. It's packed with morning stretches, midday stretches, evening stretches, desk workouts, office ergonomic tips, and much more to keep your body pain free and flexible. Click the link in the description or pin comment now before you forget. Your future self will thank you. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.